Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use the same song on multiple Instagram stories. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So for example, you have a multiple videos that you want to put on your Instagram stories and you only want to use a one music and you don't know how to do it, you are at the right video. So just keep on watching. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your Instagram app and log in your account. And now just go ahead and swipe your finger from left to right. From left to right, or you can just go ahead and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen. So now just go ahead and click on the album option at the lower left side of your screen and click on select at the upper right corner of your screen. So now just go ahead and choose the video that you want to put on your stories and just go ahead and click on the arrow at the lower right corner of your screen. So I'm just gonna mute this off. So now again, just go ahead and click on the sticker. Click here on the sticker at the upper part of your screen and click on music and choose any music that you want. Also do that here at the second video. And now just go ahead and click on the arrow at the lower right corner of your screen. And now just go ahead and choose if you want to share it to the public or to your close friends. So just go ahead and click on the share button. And now just click done. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.